Join me on a solo ride today. I'm just going to show you a little secret hideaway spot that I quite enjoy. It's certainly a good photo opportunity place and a great view of the city that you don't normally get on the tourist guides, and I can bet you that many people travel past this spot day in, day out, never been there in their lives. So welcome along. We're on our way to Sulphur Beach. Now, as we round the corner here, we just passed the Takapuna off-ramp behind us there, and we're going to take the Oniwa Road off-ramp coming up, which leads us up towards Northcote. On the left there, across the harbour, you can see the big buildings of the Central Business District, Auckland City, but we're not going there at this point. We're staying on the North Shore meaning just north of the Harbour Bridge. There's a little bit of a fun off-ramp. It's got some pretty big loops in it. It does the same thing when you're heading onto the city coming from Northcote. As you can see that vehicle heading up there to the right, they're going to have a nice long right-handed turn to get themselves onto State Highway 1 to get them over the bridge. Anyway, we're heading from the bridge, heading up Oniwa Road now, and we're going to turn left at the traffic lights ahead where we get onto Queen Street. Every city in New Zealand worth its salt has got at least one Queen Street. Auckland has got a number of them, and this is the Northcote version. Northcote's kind of an older suburb for the North Shore. Pretty well established, quiet, sleepy little burg until they built the Harbour Bridge, opened in about, I think it was 59 or 60, at which time it became much better connected to the South Shore, where all of the commercial activity happens, and it kind of led to the opening up of the North Shore as a serious population centre. There's a lot of classic old villas around here at Northcote, and as we head up to what is also known as Northcote Point, it's quite a desirable living area, and house prices are escalated to show that very fact of the desirable nature of living around here. As we come up towards the end of the point, coming up ahead on the right, we'll see an old cinema that's been there for a while, gone through several evolutions, still going very strong today, the Bridgeway Cinema, and some eateries, a pizza shop near to it, and an award-winning, at least sometimes in the past, restaurant across the road with the green vine around of it. Anyway, we're not stopping there, we're going straight on past, looking out for the two road bumps ahead. Coming up, if we travelled a bit further than we're going to head, is the Northcote pub, Northcote Tavern. Well worth a visit, great food, great ambience, great everything. But we're not going there, it's just a little bit further along the road. We're turning left down onto Beach Road. And it's a skinny little road, but it's quite fine. There is a big road left and right here, giveaway signs on the cross traffic, but take your time going through there just in case somebody doesn't pay attention and comes through to smack you from the right or left hand side. Anyway, straight ahead of us is State Highway 1, with the traffic that's moving left and right. We're going to turn right here onto what now has become Sulphur Beach Road, and this is the secret, I guess, route that takes you underneath the Harbour Bridge on a little known road that heads round to the Sulphur Beach boat ramp. Now, this road was impassable last year when the storms came. There were a lot of slips came down here, completely cut this area off, but they've cleared them out now, and it's once again safe to travel through and round. And what we can see in front of us there is the Auckland Harbour Bridge as we slip underneath it to emerge on the other side. Now, all through here there's great opportunities. If you look over to the right hand side, beyond the boat sheds is the Auckland City CBD. I'm going to spin the bike around, we'll be able to have a brief look at it, and you can come down here and just spend a moment taking some photographs, having a look around. It's a view of the Harbour Bridge that not many people get to actually see. Like I said, people go past it a lot, but here we are right amongst it. So that's my trip today. Hope you've enjoyed it. Take care out there, ride safe, have fun. See you next time.